And so we started talking. And, her name is Alexandra Buckland.
Okay.
Very beautiful lady, right? She has these charming, beautiful eyes. I think that's what caught me. The eyes, the eyes, very innocent. So, I think I'm also very irresistible, she could not resist. So I think later I came to Shillong now properly, Laimukra,
Okay.
on late 2016. So looking for Bamja, I went to Funga,
Okay.
and then I met Munish,
Okay.
and then Munish connected me to you.
But how you, who created the song?
So he has this big drum, okay? So he'll play, and then he'll say, "Yo, Pete!" "Yo, Pete, come, let's sing." I ask Kong, "Hey, Kong, Katano." And then she will say, "Laipa, Siguri." Okay, so we go like this. Kaningekuwa msanii wa sanaa ya sila, ningekuwa na jamii ya masadam kama Sabana, mabunduki na makofia kabilao na silaha za kujijali Swahili jamii. Sikia sauti kutoka Kenya hadi Saudi Arabia, majabu ya Musa Filaoni, huyu kijana anafanya vipusa wa taoni, wavue mashati mapati ni kama Hey Kong. Siguri Laipo.
Great, man.